This is green plantain with ripe plantain, mashed potato. That's the ripe, that's the green, that's the potato. Currently it has milk, coconut oil, olive oil, and sesame seed oil. I'm going to add some other ingredients now. I just add rosemary and black pepper. About to add some pink Himalayan salt. Add the pink Himalayan salt and some Roots Work, Empowered by Roots Work dry seasoning, which is the Mestizo blend. I add a pinch of paprika, some dill, cilantro, and parsley leaves. And milk is also in there as well. I'm pondering on whether I'm gonna add some hard-boiled eggs to this. But as the mashing and combining the ingredients together, I'll decide whether I'm gonna add that to it or not. That's the green and ripe plantain that's being mashed and mixed together. Trying to add something that has a little bit of moisture to make it more airy, fluffy, because the green plantain is pretty dry and dense. I actually steamed it for 2 hours and about, let's say, 15 plus minutes. It's a little bit more than that, but that's how long I've been steaming the plantains, especially the green ones, to just make sure I can get it to absorb as much moisture as possible. Did the potato and the ripe plantain. So the ripe plantain was dropped in about 45 minutes and cooked for 45 minutes. I just add 1/8 cup of water, and then I also add some more sesame seed oil and coconut oil to this water, and just try to see if I can get the hot water to coax out some of the flavors from those 2 types of oil. For future reference, you can use 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 ripe plantain and 1 green plantain. The green plantain wasn't so. Let's see where it's at. Let me give you an idea of what it looks like. That's what it looked like when I put it in or peeled it. Okay, so it's not like it was kind of like on its way or phase to becoming ripe, but it's still pretty dry and green. I recommend 2 or putting a second medium potato if you like it fluffy, and that will help to aerate it to make it a little bit more fluffier and creamier. You can add I put a 1/4 cup of milk. You can add some cream, mustard, mayo, whatever you like. For some reason I'm not in the mood for sour cream or anything like that in there. So you have a combination of it being fluffy, creamy. You have the sweetness from the ripe plantain, and then you have that just up in your face dry starchiness from the green plantain. You can taste just a hint of the cayenne pepper in there to help balance off some of the sweetness from the ripe plantain. For those that would say, well, they might not be able to handle this that much intense sweetness from the ripe plantain, I just put a smidge more of a dash more of cayenne pepper. Then I put some cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger to neutralize that dryness and that earthiness of the green plantain. I just put some sage. To really seal the deal and close it off, just added a ton of dried shredded pork. About to mix it in. Basic ingredients right there. Just make a nice, unique meal out of traditional ingredients. eggs, plantain, ripe and green potato, and ingredients to salt, like salt and stuff to flavor. Now you can saute like onion, bell pepper, and a little bit of carrots, and make a small gravy and pour it on top of the potato. I taste it by itself and it's super delicious, tasty. Can't wait. Then I just garnish it with just ingredients right here in the kitchen.